Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got a couple Lennox units we're gonna work on. Change a gas valve. We're gonna change 2 PVC traps we're gonna redo, and from there that's it on this location. And then we will be going to a store to fix something about their temperature being saying it's 70, but it really isn't. So we're gonna go ahead and start on this. Basically, they said that the gas valve was bad. I don't really know on which one because they didn't specify, but I will look back at the details. Oh, sorry, yeah, this is a single stage, so should be pretty easy to remove. But first, we'll double check, make sure it's actually messed up. Service, test, heat 1. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, see what it does. I know it's working good, but I mean, it's working, but the call said that we had to change it, so we're gonna change it. Oh. Alright, so got the new gas valve here. Guys, always make sure y'all have the same gas valve. It's happened to me where it's not the same one and we have to, come back and replace it or stuff like that. Gas valves are pretty easy. There's usually 2 connections, your 24 volts and then a high and a low. This one doesn't have high fire, it just has low. So gray and white are 24 volt common, and then your little low goes there, and then that should be it. And then we can take their son of a biscuit off. Probably take it off at the union first. Take it off at the union. And then come on, baby. There we go. Like I said, I just got this camera, so hopefully y'all can actually see what I'm doing. And we can take this one off. So we can pop this one off. I should have brought some WD-40 with me so I can take these off a lot easier, but sometimes you just don't think. You just bring a bucket and then that's pretty much all you bring. So now take that off, boom, and then we should be able to take this piece off. Maybe not. Actually, I want to take that off. I'm going to take this 90 off right here. Actually, I need to hold that. Come on. A little elbow grease. It's not the best way to do it, but is what it is. We're gonna move this bad boy back just a little bit. There we go. That way we can get it out the way. wrong way. Yeah, I was going the wrong way, you idiot. Alright. Now, we can take this off and this one off. So for that, I like using these right here. Harbor Freight. Pretty wrong way. Need to go opposite way. Go this way, and then we go. I'm going the right way. So we need to go left. Yeah, we're going the right way, I think.
A few moments later.
There we go. He got it loose. So these commercial units I like because they're very accessible, but on residential, like on the Bryant systems and Carrier, dude, they are terrible because you have to remove the whole burner assembly. It's bad, but I like it. So I like doing commercials so far. So we're gonna remember that goes like that, and then we should be able to take this off like this. Yep. There you go. Take the old gas valve off. We're gonna put the new one in. Oh man. Alright. Adjust there. So they always give you an arrow gas flow. So this goes up. We're gonna take these covers off. I'm gonna grab some of our Mega Lock. Put this on here. Make sure you put a healthy amount on there. Boom. And then flow of gas goes downwards because it goes into the burners. So like that. It's pretty simple, guys. Most of you guys that are watching, you guys know how to do this. So there you go. Grab our pliers. Actually, this other on that 410B1. Looks like it's a universal one, but it should work. Grab your pliers. Oh, make sure y'all face it the same way it was.
2,000 years later.
Union down. Now we're gonna turn it on. Check for any gas leaks or anything like that. We're gonna turn this bad boy back on. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, outdoor air sensor, whatever. Go to service, test, heat, heat 1. And all you gotta do is look, make sure everything is good, test it with some bubbles, make sure there's no gas leaks or anything, and then, oh, also set pressure. Most of these ones come already somewhat set to pressure, but you always want to double check. So I'm gonna go grab my manometer from downstairs in the van. and double check everything, make sure it's the right gas pressure. As you can see, it lit up pretty good. I mean, flames look good, but you always want to double check your gas pressure. Make sure it's set to the correct spec that the manufacturer wants, which now this looks good. I'm gonna go grab my manometer, check the pressures, and then we have 2 P-traps to install, which, I mean, I don't know if you guys want to see or not, but for now, I'll see you guys here in a little bit. Alright guys, so we got that call done. I was checking back the videos and I totally forgot to hit record on the manometer, testing the pressure on the manometer, but it was 3.5, right on the money. Didn't have to adjust anything or anything like that, but we are moving on to our next call.